Presenting a pre-owned 2013 Hyundai Elantra GLS. This four-door sedan has a four-cylinder, 1.8-liter i4 engine, with front-wheel drive, and an automatic transmission. This Hyundai has less than 93,000 miles on the odometer. Estimated fuel economy for this vehicle is 28 miles per gallon in the city, and 38 miles per gallon on the highway. This vehicle is in excellent overall condition. Key features include MP3 player, Sirius satellite radio, anti-lock brakes, cruise control, power steering, power windows, power door locks, stability control, and traction control.